Hi, so in this video I just want to show you guys how the NSI PolyPaste works. So to do the NSI PolyPaste we need a few items, and they are of course the PolyPaste, we need the bond, we need the base coat, a top coat, we need cleanse, we need a lint-free wipe, and of course the PolyPaste tool that has the spatula on one side and the brush on the other side. So let's get started. I've already buffed this swatch already, so we'll go ahead and put on the bond. So we put a nice coat of bond on, and then we apply the base coat. We put this in the lamp for 30 seconds. I just want to let you know that it all depends on the strength of your lamp. You cure for 30 seconds or 60 seconds. If your lamp has a few beads inside and maybe it's about 54 watts and below, you would cure for 60 seconds, and anything above that, 36 beads and up, and maybe a 72 80 watts lamp, you would cure for 30 seconds. Good, so that's cured, and we will start the process of using the PolyPaste now. So what I do is put a little bit of cleanse in a glass container, and we will start. So let me just show you quickly the consistency of the PolyPaste. See how nice and thick this is. And with this PolyPaste, a little goes a very long way. So let me show you. You put it onto the swatch. I think this is way too much, but I'll just show you still. And you damp your brush into the cleanse, and you start to press it and move it around. The good thing about this PolyPaste is it doesn't cure until you put it into the lamp, and so that gives you a lot of time to work it and get it perfect. So it's great for a beginner nail tech or somebody who is struggling with the acrylic. This is a perfect product to use. You can also use this at home because it doesn't have the odor like the acrylic. It's very low odor, almost no odor at all. I think the only thing I'm smelling right now is the cleanse. Other than that, you don't smell anything from the PolyPaste. So it's great to use at home. It's a great salon product as well if you want to have a nice clean environmentally friendly salon, because a lot of people can't handle the acrylic smell. So this is a perfect transition from acrylic to gel. So you can see that the consistency of it is very thick, and it's also very strong. But the good thing about it is that it's really easy to buff, really easy to buff compared to the acrylic. So it's something that you would want to try as a nail tech, a student, or even somebody who's using it at home on themselves. So you don't have to use too much a cleanse. You just damp your brush and you work it. See how nice and thick that is? And then you cure this. I would cure it in my lamp. Depending on how thick I do it, I would cure it for 60 seconds. When you're done, You clean your brush off, clean your spatula off, and you pop it back into the case. So for this tube of polypaste, you could do so many clients with it. It really goes a long way because it's really thick in viscosity, so it works really well. It lasts a long time. So this is the blush pink in the NSI PolyPaste. So when this comes out of the lamp here, you just damp your lint-free wipe in the cleanse, give it a nice wipe off, and then you start to buff. You buff and shape, and if you notice, you don't have so much dust coming from this product like you would have with the acrylic. So it's really environmentally friendly, great for your salon, nice, clean, low odor product. And I'm going over this product really lightly, just smoothing it off. You could also use our NSI, the Endurance Buffer, 180, 240 grit. And this works as a sanding block. It has two sides, so you can buff, smooth in one. And this is our plush brush. You take off the dust. And you can go in now with your top coat. Now this product is good to use on your natural nails. You can use it on tips and on forms. So it's a real versatile product that is strong and easy to use. And that's the NSI PolyPaste. We cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds and then we're good to go. Now this top coat, it's a tack-free LED top coat, glaze and go. Let me just show you in the meantime our bling jar. So you can store your acrylic powder, you can store your glitters or anything you would want to store in it. You just pop on back the lid and then you close it tightly. You could use it for your props to take out your pictures and whatever you want to do with it. Really cute, glossy, really elegant. So this is the finished product. And to tell you the truth, we didn't even have to use so much of the product because it's so nice and thick. But you use it however you want to use it. At the end of the day, you'll have really good results from using this product. So that's our NSI PolyPaste in the blush pink.